Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to enable Cloudflare DNS. All right, let's begin. First, log into your Cloudflare dashboard. Click on Add a Site and enter your domain name. Be sure to use the Apex domain, such as example.com, without or subdomains. Cloudflare will then scan your existing DNS records. Review the list carefully and confirm everything is correct. If anything is missing, you can add it at this stage. Once the scan is complete, Cloudflare will provide 2 name servers. Also, these name servers will be displayed at the bottom of the DNS tab. Now go to your domain registrar, log in, and open the DNS or name server settings. Replace your current name servers with the ones given by Cloudflare. Double-check for accuracy to avoid errors. If DNSSEC is enabled, disable it temporarily to prevent issues. After updating, wait for propagation. This can take up to 48 hours, but Cloudflare often detects changes sooner. Once complete, you'll get an email and your domain status will show as active. So that's basically how you can enable Cloudflare DNS. That's it for this video. Thanks.